This is how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger without any app. Before we do this, we want to make sure that this message we are looking for is not on the archive. So we tap on the menu here and then select archive just to make sure that the message is not here. If you cannot find the message here, then let's look for the message. Launch any browser of your choice on your mobile device. Log into facebook.com. Make sure the Facebook account you are on right now is the same with your Messenger app. Okay, so tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner, which is the menu button. Select settings. You will have to scroll to locate this. From the settings menu, scroll to locate download your information. Download a copy of your information to keep or to transfer to another service. Once you are here, you can see so many are selected, from messages to posts to pools, events. Since we are interested in recovering only messages, we will have to deselect all of them and select only messages. Messages you've exchanged with other people on Messenger. So make sure here is selected. Then scroll down. If you want all of your data to be recovered, you have to select here. If you want a particular date, maybe 3 months ago, 6 months, or just 1 year ago, select the date range here. Here is the format. Make sure it is on HTML. Next is the media quality. Select either low or medium. This is to make sure that the download is not too large. If you want it to be too large, you can go for high, but I will recommend you go for low or medium. I'm going for low. Then select create file. You can see that it is pending. Once the download is ready, tap on download to download your information. Here, you select where you want this to be downloaded, tap on download. You can see the file has been downloaded. I will simply open it. From here, you select the message and you can read the message. Make sure you select the one that is labeled messages. This is the message that was recovered. Yours might be more if you have more than one messages. This is how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger, be it on iPhone or on Android, without using any app. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.